Hey guys, good morning. It's like 7 something right now. It's actually 9:03. I've been up since 7. My best friend's coming over and I'm gonna do her hair for prom. I'm really excited because she's gonna look so fucking cute. It's 11:52. It's about to be 12. Clearly, I'm not trying to get copyrighted. In a Mexican household, the mother always plays some very loud music to clean and cook too. So yeah, I'm just cleaning up my room because I got this like table that was in the living room, but it's now in my room. So I'm just cleaning up. As you can see, I'm like cleaning up and stuff. That table, it's gonna go over there, and then I have to clean up that, and then I have to, that's all clean clothes, but I'm just too lazy to do all that, but I'm gonna do it. My friend, I need to reply to her. There's not much that I've done. I've just cleaned, taken a shower, and just still laid in bed. I'm painting my toenails, but I'm too lazy to take off the black nail polish, so I just painted over the black nail polish. Okay guys, so it's about to be like 2 o'clock. I got back from Winco. I low-key forgot I had to vlog. Oh yeah, I just grabbed a small table that no one was using, and I put all my stuff there, and then I removed the table that my stuff used to be on, this one, and I'm gonna be using that when I film, because as you can see, my only lighting, because I don't have actual lighting, but my lighting is natural light. So in videos, if you always see me looking up and stuff, it's because I'm looking at the freaking sky. I got a big old brand new freaking bed. Got my jean jacket. The first thing you see is my bed, okay? Ignore that, I just finished cleaning, so I thought I might as well, since I'm vlogging, show you guys my room. I used to have a different bed with a black framing, and it was smaller than this one, but the mattress was hurting my bed, so I had to take it off because I was starting to get back problems and stuff. But I just have this Tommy Hilfiger double-sided sheet, and then under I have, you know, every Mexican has like a animal thingy blanket. On top of that is this tapestry that my boyfriend gave me, and it's so cute. We both set this up, and then on top of that is another tapestry that he gave me, and he helped me set this one up too. And when you turn on the light, let me back up a little, like when you turn on the light, like you can see everything. It's pretty cool. Moving on, back of the back of the door, I have this coat hanger that my dad gave me. Then I have my jackets here, my jean jacket, my flannel, my towel, my cardigans, this is an Eddie Bauer jacket, but I haven't used it because it's getting hot out. And I have my sweaters. This one my boyfriend gave me, just a bunch of sweaters. But these are my bags, my backpack, my purse that I wear when I dress up, you know, a little girly. So my little area right here, this is my salt lamp. This is a real salt lamp right here. I know that because I tested it, I licked it. You don't have to lick it, but I licked it and it tastes like salt. Let me try to see if I can really. Do you guys see that? Like little pieces come off and stuff. You guys can see the salt coming off. But I have this little elephant that my dad got me at a yard sale. It's a little gold elephant. I don't think it's definitely not real gold, but it's like gold, and it's like gold, and it looks really pretty. And then I have this empty wine bottle. Don't worry, I didn't drink it. I have this 8-ball, and then I have another gold camel with, and then over here I have my rock. It was, this is my rock. I forgot what kind of rock this is. My mom got this for me before school started to help me focus and stuff. It's like a spiritual thing. Like some of you guys might understand, some of you guys might not. But I have this gold glass bottle cup thingy. Under here I just have a book, and I have a stool, and under here I just have where I keep all my change and stuff. I have my middle school yearbooks here. Have my makeup here. I have my brushes, some stuff that I like don't use a lot. I have my 3 palettes that I use the most. So the rest of my palettes are in my Sephora bag. And here I have literally so many palettes. I have my perfumes and lotions. I just have the wall that a lot of people ask about. I just have a bunch of pictures that I printed out from my school. They're all mostly black and white. This one is my friend that I met at my school that I used to go to. Her name is Lana. Yeah, I photoshopped this one. You really can't see, but oh yeah, you can. I photoshopped everything to be black and white except her eyes, and then I did like a very like warm looking like eyeshadow look on her eyes, and her blue eyes. She has beautiful eyes. Her eyes like pop out as well. And my boyfriend gave me all of those, starting from there down to here, right there, up, all of those, all from here up, and this one and this one. Then right above my bed, a big old picture thingy that I got from a yard sale, and I got it because the black framing, and I really loved how the birds looked in the sunset. Y'all already know I have to eat. Mom, what are they called? ¿Cómo se llaman? Enfrijoladas. It's like already 1 o'clock and I'm just now eating. Hey, stop it! Mom! You're so cute. This is what we do when we just finish eating. And it's been a long day. It's only 3 o'clock. Okay guys, so it's like 3:41. My best friend's over. She's getting ready for prom. Oh my god, that's the first time I've ever seen her with makeup. I'm just doing her hair. She looks so fucking cute, and I'm just gonna stay home doing nothing, but she's going to a different school's prom, so it's like it's exactly 7:13. My boyfriend just left like a minute ago. My best friend came over, as you guys saw. I did her hair. She looks so cute. I'll have her send me some Snapchats so you guys can see her whole outfit and everything. It's like 10:32. I just finished eating what I had eaten before. I ate that for dinner. Not really dinner, it's more like a night snack. Yeah, I'm just watching a movie, chilling with my sister. Yeah, we're just booling out here. And I'm watching a movie. We're cooling out here. We're just watching a movie. I think I'm gonna go to bed after this. But that's what I've done today. I haven't done much. I haven't even left the house unless going to Wingo to get food counts. But yeah, it's like 11:05 right now. I just finished watching a few movies. I'm laying in bed right now because I like to just chill at home and lay in bed all day. I used to always lay in bed all day every day, but now I have a boyfriend, so I really can't lay in bed all day every day doing nothing every single day. Not talking to anyone, but I'm gonna go to bed now, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is just a boring vlog. I'm sorry it wasn't that exciting. I don't really go out much. I don't need to go out. I don't like going out, or don't really. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. You guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the support and love. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button and comment down below. Just comment down below anything random. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful night. Mwah.